Ang kausayan ay kakayahan ng isang tao na makamit ang kanyang mga layunin. Sa lungsod ng Urdaneta ay mayroong ilang taong nagpakita ng kausayan sa kanilang napiling larangan. Tara't tuklasin kung sino ang mga ito.
Hi, ako si AJN Kawili, 15, grade 10 Jaworski.
Paano ka naghahanda sa mga competition?
Naghahanda ako sa competition, parang kailangan namin mag-maintain ng diet and expose na training.
Anong mga competition na napanalunan?
Hindi ko kasi masasabi lahat, pero mga konti lang po. Sa Philippine National Age Group, isa din yun para makakwalify ka sa CH, like sa Malaysia. And ang nakuha ko naman sa Philippine National Age Group is 2 silver, 1 bronze.
Jamaica Nieto Lumibaw from the Humanities and Social Sciences strand from grade 12 Brusu. I am the currently Supreme Student Government President of Urdaneta City National High School, the Division Federated Supreme Student Government of the Division of Urdaneta. I am also the Vice President of the Humanities and Social Sciences Club. Siguro sa first of all, ang pinaka-achievement ng term ko ngayong SSG President ako ay nagkaroon na kami ng contextualized Constitution and Bylaws sa SSG intended only for UCNHS. Ang galing yung reference namin sa DepEd SSG. Tapos, meron kaming project 4Ms na yung aligned yun sa core values, which is the makatao, maka-Diyos, makakalikasan at makabansa. Ang nagtutuloy-tuloy until now ay yung SSG Patrol na kung saan kaming mga student leaders tuwing every morning andun kami sa harap ng gate na papatrol kami kasama namin yung mga guards para makatulong kami na mapanatili na sumusunod yung mga co-students natin sa pagsunod sa rules and regulations ng paaralan. Ang sunod naman na susuotan kita ng saya sa Baryarit ay may pag-asa. Ito yung mga in need of financial support na para sa mga co-students natin. Tapos, meron din kaming tree planting activity, clean up drive every Friday. Meron kaming Bible sharing values formation. Meron din kaming book with a heart at saka Ariba na leadership training.
I'm Mrs. Noraima G. Baguan, Master Teacher 2 of the English Department in Urdaneta City National High School. Sa kasalukuyan, ako ang grade level chairman, grade 7 actually, chairman ng English Department, and at the same time, the school's reading coordinator. What I consider as the biggest achievement so far in my career as a teacher was my implementation of the Project GRADE, the Guided Reading Activity in Distance Education. This program was successfully conducted and it addressed the very low reading performance of students in UCNHS during the time of the pandemic. At ngayon, tinutuloy-tuloy natin to with the implementation of another project, which is Project Read, Read, Read. This program is in support of the Department of Education's Project 3Bs, or the Bawat Bata Bumabasa, and the program of the Region 1, which is Region 1's Reading First, and of course the program of the SDO Urdaneta City, which is the Project Forward.
Ano-ano na po ang mga programs and projects po ninyo?
Number one, we continue with the build program of my local government administration. And aside from that, with my second term, well, I just continue to come up with the continuance of my programs. For example, we don't have People's Park. May edad na kayo. Ako, 50 plus na, pero we don't have a People's Park. Now we have People's Park. I am after the legacy.
Hindi lang sa mga gantimpala nakikita ang kausayan. Minsan, ang importante ay ang paggawa ng legasiya.